Welcome. In front of me I have a Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this watch. So to turn on this watch we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for about, I don't know, I would say 5-10 seconds. Basically until you see the Google logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch is booting up, which will take at least a few seconds, like probably 10 or more. So let's wait. Okay, and we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.